41. Which expression is equivalent to 24x squared minus 22x plus 5? So the first thing we want to notice, this is a multiple choice question. And looking at this, we have this negative here and positive here. That means our form has to be both negative. Because if I put an A and a B here, A and B, when you do the outer inner, you're going to get negative 2AB. But when you multiply these two, you get positive B squared. And then the first would just be A squared. So when you have the negative here and positive, these are both negative. So we can discount the ones with the positive. All right, so now let's look, since we have this option of just foiling this out, I'll do both methods. I'll use this one and use the FOIL method, and I'm going to FOIL it back to see if it equals that. So we have 8x minus 5 and 3x minus 1. So we're going to do FOIL. First, outer, inner, and last. So the first is multiply those two, and you get 24x squared. The outer is the outer of the parentheses. That's going to be negative 8x. You just multiply. The inner is going to be minus 15x. And the last will be plus 5. And there's where you see the two negatives make a positive. Now our concern is these two. So when you add these two up, because they're like terms, you get negative 23x. And that is not 22. So what we're going to do is try this one. And I'm going to go ahead and use the box method on that one in case you like that method better. The problem with the box method is it prevents you from getting more mental in your factoring. So it's kind of better to do it this way, because the more you do it the FOIL way, the more you can mentally see the answer. I can mentally see that this is going to work, because I can look at negative 12 minus 10 gives me that. But anyway, let's do the box method. And the box method would be you put the 12x here, negative 5, and then we're going to put the 2x, negative 1, and then multiply. So you multiply these two, get 24x squared minus 12x. I always do that. Negative 12x, negative 10x, and plus 5. So when you add these diagonals up, you get negative 22x. So that is our answer, C. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.